Welcome to an overview of Chapter 1. The purpose of these brief videos is to introduce the content of the chapters in the Estimator's Pocketbook. The nature of a bid team will vary from firm to firm. Whatever the resources available, the most important roles are the estimator and the planner. The tendering process comprises several stages, beginning with accessing the procurement and tender documents. The estimator should have an idea of these from preliminary discussions with the client's professional team. Next, analyze the design and prepare outline programs, and then finally, prepare the tender offer and gather feedback about the process. When assessing the tender documentation, the employer's requirements should be scrutinized along with the conditions of contract, and the health and safety planning should be commenced. The design should be analysed, as projects can range from straightforward high-tech sheds to complex one-off signature buildings. The point being, the more complex and unique the design, the greater the risk and potential for problems. In the 1990s, John Laing, one of the UK's largest and most prestigious contractors, won the contract for the Millennium Stadium in Cardiff, without fully assessing the risks associated with the design and construction of the sliding roof. The outcome was a £26 million loss for the contractor. This loss, together with another disastrous project, the National Physical Laboratory, resulted in the company going out of business and selling its construction business in 2001 for £1 to one of its subcontractors. The importance of a site visit cannot be overemphasized and should be undertaken as soon as possible, and a provisional sequence of construction and site layout established. Also, the opportunity should be taken to investigate other works or excavations in the area and to take videos and photographs back to the office. The position of access points should be noted, and any demolition, site clearance and temporary works assessed, and the nearest tip located and tipping charges established. Finally, the general location should be assessed for any potential security problems or any problems with adjoining properties. Method statements can be a very useful tool in assessing how the proposed project is going to be built, as well as highlighting health and safety issues, and can be presented in several ways, including 3D models and written statements. Method statements can also investigate alternative approaches to construction and can be used to determine gang sizes, etc. It may be in complex projects, particularly refurbishment, that method statements are required to be submitted with the tender. Here are some links to further information on topics referred to in Chapter 1.